各位弟兄姊妹朋友，聖誕快樂！
Oh, welcome, family and friends, to our Christmas joint service today.
耶！我知道咧，今日咧都嚟咗好多嘅來賓啦，因為都知道咧，今日唔單止係一個聖誕嘅主日，亦都係咧稍後咧，我哋都會有浸禮嘅時間嘅。咁所以咧，好鼓勵你啦，可以透過我哋嘅 Facebook 啦，或者喺下載我哋教會都有一個嘅手機程式咧，咁咧可以了解認識我哋更多我哋教會嘅資訊啊。
If you're here for the first time, know that you can reach us through different, media, especially our church app, which is one of our shepherding tools.
咁咧，因為今日咧，我哋好豐富啊嚇，咁只係兩個簡單嘅報告咧，都係關於兒童嘅嚇。咁第一個嘅報告咧，就係我哋嚟緊新一年咧，就有一個兒童嘅遊樂坊啦，就會咧係叫做八福廚房喎，哇！顧名思義咧，即係咧會去教啲小朋友啦，嚟到做一啲咧係簡單嘅嚇，當然唔會好複雜啦嚇，一啲嘅食物啦，以至到咧讓佢哋都係能夠可以咧認識到咧主耶穌點樣能夠有一個憐憫人嘅心啊，點樣嚟去到咧去有一個好嘅品格啊咁樣，咁所以咧好歡迎咧在座家長啊，如果咧你係育有咧Grade 1 to Grade 7係啦，即係你哋嘅孩子係喺呢個 age group 咧，歡迎你哋咧嚟到去報名參加嘅。
I'd like to draw your attention to two of our upcoming events meant to nourish our younger generations, sharing love with the community at the same time. The first one is a Sunday Kids Club with the theme, The Beatitudes Kitchen, which is running every Sunday from January 11th to March 22nd. It's a quarterly thing from 10 to 11 a.m. All children from grade 1 to grade 7 are welcome. So you can scan this QR code here for information or registration.
咁呢個活動咧就會喺1月11號係啦，即係嘅主日時間10點到11點咧嚟到舉行嘅。咁咧詳情咧可以留意我哋嘅週刊。咁第二個嘅哇好適合咧叫做 Junior Basketball Spring Camp 係啦，一個咧即係籃球嘅訓練啊 ，OK， 咁咧係好適合8至到13歲嘅年青人少年人咧嚟到去參與嘅。咁喺呢個 camp 嘅裏面咧，我哋都有好開心啦，就有Jaden 即係咧嚟到成為嗰個 coach，OK。咁所以咧好期盼，即係唔單止係在座家長有合適嘅年青人可以如果佢哋又好有興趣去參加咧，留意嘅時間係逢禮拜六嘅 ，OK， 係啦，喺禮拜六嘅時間就翻到嚟 Eastwood， 今朝我哋去聽嗰個嘅見證分享會嗰個嘅體育館嗰度咧嚟到去進行嘅嚇。咁咧唔單止係我哋嘅年青人啦，亦都可以邀請咧一啲你哋嘅你哋嘅仔女嘅同學仔一齊嘅嚟到參與，以至到咧佢哋都能夠可以咧唔單止學點樣打籃球亦都認識咧更多教會同埋福音嘅。
Yes, the other event is the Junior Basketball Spring Camp. This one, okay, through this camp you can learn the fundamentals of basketball skills and games at entry level. And this will be running every Saturday morning from January the 17th to April the 25th, 10:30 to 12:30 at the gym here, right here. It's for children from grade 3 to grade 8. And there's a camp fee of $85 for this. And you can scan this QR code here for registration. So bring not only your own kids, but your kids, friends, schoolmates, your neighbors' kids as well. This is a very good outreach program.
好，咁咧就願意我哋都預備我哋嘅心啦，準備嘅嚟到一齊去慶祝主耶穌基督降生，讓我哋今日咧都係能夠帶着歡喜快樂嘅心咧嚟到咧去親近去敬拜神。
So let's worship the Lord together through songs.